ID team, very good evening to everyone. Hope all are safe and you and your family are good. Thank God. Today we are having the very wonderful session. The topic is powerful people skills or interpersonal skills, which is very important for each and every individual who are working in the corporate or in the any organization. For this session, we have very wonderful opted resource person. Her name is Ivy Saldana. She is basically from Bangalore, and she done her LLB, and she has done MBA in HR. She worked with the not many corporates, and she is the what you call the so many award winner also. She got most talented HR leaders in India, Women Super Achievers Award, and then Women's Icon of the Year by Femina, and Women's Icon Award 2018. She's working from past 20 years in the field of HR and administration, and of course she's taking care of the training for the big corporates and leadership team as well. So Ivy, on behalf of ID, a warm welcome. We are lucky to have you in this session.
I welcome you all for this learning session, and as Mr. Bashir said, we will try to do as much of interaction as possible in this session, but we are using the technology, right? So we will try to see, hope these 2 hours will give us the best technology support. And also I want all of you to participate actively, because we have here in the, I think all of you are youth in the Zoom, and we have reactions, we have chat, and you can, as we speak, you can place your questions, you can place your reactions. I should say once again to everyone, namaskar. Reading through the story of Mr. Mustafa, right? The humble beginning. He started, I think you know better than me because you're all there in the organization for many years. He started with a small investment, right? Today you're a crore of organization, big conglomerate. So how he has started, what is the vision he had in his mind? So with that, the thing what impressed me is the 3 things he's telling. Today I'm successful. That is because of my people. We are having the right mix of people, right? And the right strategy on my product. So what is that product? You know better than me. It's a batter, but you are giving that product and helping the homemaker to make the final product. And I do have people who are entrepreneurial mindset. So the great things which I can hear from your leadership, and the genuine leadership, authentic leadership, where he's saying that, okay, I am only preparing the batter. The credit should not come to me. The credit should go to my end producer who makes fresh idlis and giving it to his or home, person, right? Am I right? Is that correct? Please be interactive, guys. So with that, that's the great leadership we are talking about. So what is that lesson we can take it from him as a leader, right? So with that context, I will leave it here, and I will allow my co-partner, trainer, Soumya, to talk about more about the interpersonal skills.
अब जब हम कहते हैं कि ये पावरफुल पीपल स्किल है, सारी चीजें होती अगर हम चाहें, पावरफुल सारी चीजें नहीं हो सकती अगर हम चाहें. If we want things, people who have written no as in Hindi, I'll just try to translate in English as well. Things can be very powerful if you want to do it. Things can be very powerful if you don't want to do it. It's both the ways. At the end, it's you and your personality and you as a person. Interpersonal skills while working. ये हमने सबने अभी खुद ही लिखा है। जब मैंने पूछा था इंटरपर्सनल स्किल्स क्या होती है, टीम्स में काम करना, क्रॉस टीम्स में काम करना, डिपार्टमेंट्स, बिजनेस यूनिट्स के साथ काम करना is the basic thing, but this has a second part to it. This is the part that calls about cultivate innovation, business value. When I am saying that interpersonal skills while working with my supplier, आज आपने सप्लायर को एक X प्रोडक्ट दिया है, जब तक आप इनोवेशन नहीं करोगे वही सेम प्रोडक्ट को, तो आपको रिपीट ऑर्डर सप्लायर नहीं दे पाएगा। यही है कॉन्टेक्स्ट जो आपको सोचना है कि आज अगर मुझे ये एक्स मिला है, फिर सेम वे आपका कस्टमर इम्प्रेस नहीं होगा।
Once again, and yes, we did a lot of here and there on the timing, so we will do the best. Okay, thanks. Thank you so much. Stay safe and be healthy.